Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Bright Start Education Hub and welcome to Phonics class with Miss Angela. Let's learn vowel teams. Let's discover how two vowels can make one sound. What are vowel teams? Vowel teams are combinations of two vowels that work together to produce a single vowel sound in a word. In other words, we could also say they are vowel digraphs. Now let's explore different vowel teams. Meet the vowel team AI. So A plus I says one sound A. Sounds like the original sound A in rain. It is found in the middle of words. For example, R, A. From here you could notice that it was at the middle of this word rain. Now let's do some fun activity with our vowel team. AI word fun. Match the word to the picture. We have picture 1, paint, picture 2, tail, picture 3, chain. Let's try to match them now and see. The first image we have tail. Second image we have paint. The third image we have chain. Let's match. So first picture is paint. Is first image paint? No. So let's move on. Second image, is it paint? Yes, it is. Let's match. Good job. Now, the second is tail. Let's start from the beginning. First image, is it tail? Yeah, it is. Let's match now. So we only have chain and the image we also have here is chain. Now we'll match it together. Well done, my amazing learners. Let's go over to the next image. It's the vowel team EA. So when E and A working together makes one sound, which is E. Sounds like the E in team. It appears in the middle of word. Also, example, we have leave, leave. Let's move over to the next slide and see what we've got there. EA word activities. Now we're going to circle the EA word activity. We have 4 words here. The first one, reads, read. The second one, eat. The third one, add. And the last one, at. Which of these words now has the EA in them? Let's find out. Is it the E? D? Yes, absolutely it is. Now let's circle it with our pink pen. E. Read. The next one is eat. Is there EA in this word? Absolutely there is. So let's circle with our pink pen. Well done. Is there EA in this word add? No. What about the at? There is none. Good job. Thank you. Let's move ahead. Team OA. When O and A is working together, it says O. It sounds like the O in boat. Usually they are found in the middle of words. Example, old. And next, old. bird. Okay, so just like the previous activity we did, we're going to do another activity. Let's move to the next slide. Let's spell with O-A. Unscramble the words. Now they've just joined this word randomly. We need to unscramble them. Let's get an ink. Here. Now let's unscramble this. We have O, P, S. Are we going to spell it like this? Is it going to sound correct? No. Now we're going to spell it the other way around. We're going to write S, O, A, O, P. So, how about the second one? It says D, A, R, O. I'm going to spell it like that? No. So we're going to spell it the other way around, which is R, old. Let's go. R, old. Road. Good job. Well done, bright learners. And the last one says T, A, B, O. Are we going to spell it like that? No way. Good job. So we're going to write it correctly, which is B, O, T. Birds. Well done, bright learners. You're so amazing. Now is review time. AI makes the A sound. It sounds like in rain, to rain. Okay? AE makes the E sound. Sounds like in leave. Okay? And then lastly, OA makes the sound O. Sound like in soap, boat, road. We're going to further do more activities in next slide. Let's practice together. Fill in the blanks. We have r, okay? So there is 2 dash here. We are asked to fill it in by ourselves. Can we do that, right, learners? Of course, I believe you. You are so smart. We can do that. Now let's get our ink. Here, what color of ink are we going to be using? Let's use the pink one again. Okay, let's rewrite now. Rain. 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 So this here, R is first is one letter. A and I says one sound. Y N says also one. That is R. A. Rain. Now the second one. Let's spell it out correctly. Let's fill the blank. B. E. Ch. So here, one sound, B. E. Ch has another sound. This C and H is the consonant digraph and it says ch. So let's blend out again. B. E. Ch. Beach. And lastly, B. O. T. Boat. B makes one sound. O and A says O, one sound, and T, one sound. Amazing! We've completed these activities. Well done. You're doing a great job, right, learners? Great job. Keep practicing and having fun with these words that we've just practiced today on your own. You could just use them to play around the EA, the OA, and the AI. Thanks for joining in. You can watch most of our videos on our YouTube channel, Bright Start Education Hub, or here you find us on our Instagram page. Lots of our videos are always posted there. So have a great time. See you in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this.